In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D typography effect in Canva. We'll begin by setting the stage for strong contrast. Click anywhere on the background of your design to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the background highlight rather than any text box or element. With the background active, open the color picker by clicking the current color swatch, then switch the background color to pure black. A dark backdrop helps the 3D effect pop and keeps your text feeling crisp and dramatic. Next, add your text. Open the text panel and choose Add a Heading. Type your word or short phrase. Something bold and simple works best for this style. Resize the heading so it becomes the main focal point of the canvas. You can drag the corner handles to scale it up and position it in the center. While you're editing, consider a thick, high-impact font. Heavier letter forms catch the effect more clearly and make the depth more convincing. If the letters feel crowded, a small increase in letter spacing can improve clarity without changing the overall look. Keep your composition balanced, leaving enough breathing room around the text so the effect can shine. With your heading selected, open the Effects panel. From the available options, choose Screen Print. This effect creates a textured, layered look that mimics ink offsets and subtle shadows, giving your typography a dimensional, almost tactile feel. Perfect for a quick 3D impression without complicated layering. To make the effect stand out even more, adjust the color. Click the current color associated with the effect or the text, depending on what's visible in your toolbar, and then select a strong accent color. Vibrant hues like electric blue, magenta, or bright yellow tend to jump off a black background and emphasize the sense of depth. If you prefer a cleaner, minimalist look, a soft gray or off-white can still deliver a noticeable 3D presence while keeping things refined. The key is contrast. The more your chosen color stands apart from the black background, the more dimensional your type will appear. Take a moment to review your layout. Make sure the text is large enough to command attention, the edges are clean, and the effect reads clearly from a normal viewing distance. If anything feels too subtle or too intense, slight adjustments to size or color can dial in the perfect balance while preserving the same simple workflow. And that's it, your 3D typography effect in Canva is ready. Clean, bold, and fast.